Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 2. So here we will see how we can download and install basically. Okay, so installation is as always it's simple, just download and double click the things. Okay, and just click on next and you will get it installed. Okay, but from where we can download Python and the required stuff. Okay, or the ID. Okay, so first we will see how we can say, let's say I'll say search for Python download, and here I'm getting the link. Okay, here I'm getting the link Python org. Okay, here I'm getting that link Python org, so I can just download that. Okay, so I'll just click on this first link. Okay, Python org. So when I go to Python org, it's giving me the option to download that. So current version, it's showing me okay Python 3.8.3. we can decide for whatever operating system you are using, so Windows, Linux or Unix, Mac OS or other operating system. So you can just choose required operating systems, or you can just scroll down and you can select a specific version as well. If you want to select from a particular version, you can select that as well. Okay, so that's how you can just go and download. So I'll click on the download as of now, and the download will start. Okay, so the download will start. Then in another window, let's say I'll another tab, let's say I'll search for VS Code. Okay, download. Yeah, so it's showing me that. So if I search for VS Code download, again it's giving me option from, let's say, code.visualstudio.com and the download. Okay, so I'll just click on this link. So it will navigate me to the download page for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here I can download this Visual Studio Code. Okay, as per my operating system, so I can just go and select the operating system. So whatever version or let's say machine you have, okay, you can just click on download. Let's say for me it's Windows and 64-bit. Okay, so Windows 10 and 64-bit. So I'll just click on this Windows 64-bit, so and it will start downloading. So here we can see it started downloading. Is started. Okay, and it will download it quickly. So as we can see that this is also downloaded. Visual Studio Code is also downloaded. Okay, so we can go to the we can just click on installation or like that, or I'll go to the download files. So it is, let's say, downloaded. So we can just go and click on that and it will start, let's say, installation. Okay, so if I click on Python installation first, okay, it will show me the install option. So here I can just click on installation, and now the installation is started. So again it will install that. You just have to click on the stuff. Okay, I already have downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code, so I'll not do it again. Okay, but it's very easy. Python is also already there, but this is the latest version, so this is how it's getting installed. Okay, so we can see that Python is installed now. The setup is successful. Okay, so we can just disable the path length limit. Okay, so you can change these things if it shows you. Okay, so it's saying that okay, changes your machine configuration to allow programs including Python to bypass 260 character max path limitation. So we can just click on that and it will be done, so you don't need to worry about that. Now you can just close this and you can install the Visual Studio Code as well. So once you install the Visual Studio Code, it's simple. After that, okay, what you can do is you can just set up a simple thing. You can just write a small code. Okay, I'll show you in the next video how you can do that. Okay, so see you in the next video.